In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on PDFescape. We'll start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to pdfescape.com. This takes you to the home page of PDFescape, which offers an online editor you can use without installing anything. Once the page loads, look toward the top of the site and select Login. This ensures your work can be saved to your account and makes it easier to access your files later. On the Login page, choose Sign In using Google. This is a quick way to authenticate without creating a separate password. When the Google window appears, click your account to continue. If you're prompted to confirm basic permissions, go ahead and allow them so PDFescape can log you in properly. After you're signed in, you'll land on your account home. Click the Open option to launch the online editor. This brings you to the online PDF editor page where you'll see several ways to get started. Select Upload PDF to PDFescape. This tells the editor you want us to work with a file that's already on your computer. Next, click Choose File. A file picker window will open so you can navigate to your PDF. Select the document you want to edit and confirm. Depending on the file size and your connection, the upload may take a moment. If it seems slow, just give it a bit of time to finish processing. When your PDF opens in the editor, go ahead and make your changes. You can add text to fill in forms, use the whiteout tool to cover unwanted content, insert shapes or images, and add annotations like highlights or sticky notes. Take a moment to zoom in for precision, and remember that you can undo actions if you make a mistake. Once you're happy with your edits, click Save. This saves your updated document within PDFescape so you can come back to it from your account. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially with larger files or longer editing sessions. If you want a copy on your computer, you can also download the file. Look just below the Save button for the download option and click it. Choose a location on your device, confirm the file name, and complete the download. This gives you a local copy you can email, print, or store in your preferred folder. That's it, you've logged in, uploaded your PDF, made your edits, saved your work, and downloaded a copy. If you run into issues, check your internet connection, ensure pop-ups aren't blocked, and verify you're signed into the correct Google account. Thanks for watching and happy editing on PDFescape.